Hi, I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax, Pompano Yacht Center. Today we're on board the new Azimut S8. Style, design, performance, owner experience, all terms that can be used on this boat. We're going to do a walkthrough and you'll get to see a number of the different features of the boat. But just to go over a couple things, we get speed and comfort with the Azimut S8. It has the Volvo Penta IPS 1350 drives paired with the Volvo Penta D13 1000 horsepower engines. Speed and comfort. But as we walk around, take a look at the material, the color combinations, and just the pure luxury of the Azimut S8. I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. Welcome aboard. As you come into the Azimut S8, you see the beautiful Salon. Again, we talked about materials, color combinations, just the ultra-modern boat. And what ties this all together is the helm area. You've got all new Garmin technology, triple screen, triple displays. Again, we talked about the Volvo Penta D13 system, joystick with the IPS 1350 drives. We've got Seakeeper on this boat, bow thruster, very easy boat to maneuver, to dock, and to drive. But one of the coolest and one of my favorite things right here at this area is the opening sunroof. All right, now we're going to go down below and we're going to take a look at some of the other nice features on this boat. This is a 4-cabin plus crew. But one of the unique features of this boat that I really appreciate is that the galley is down below and out of the way. So as you and your family are enjoying this area, you can have all the dishes and the food down there. Let's go take a look. The Azimut S8 is clearly designed for lifestyle. It's a 4-cabin plus crew sport yacht. You have a galley that's separate, as we had discussed. It has a sports bridge lounge bar area, a garage for a tender and a jet ski. Owners often comment that the boat is fun to use, not just impressive to look at. We're in the master stateroom, and take a look. It's a full beam usable stateroom, ultra modern, ultra contemporary, walk-in closet, mirrored finish on the television. Specifically, wait till you go into the master bathroom. Very contemporary, minimalistic, and take note of the shower area. Now we're up at the helm on the Azimut S8, called the Sport Deck. You'll notice you've got 2 Garmin displays, Fusion Control, Seakeeper, Volvo Penta engine display. Again, joystick, throttles, bow thruster, easily maneuverable. But look at the view up here. That's what you get. The S8 is all about bringing the outside in. And we are in the elements and enjoying this beautiful day. Let me point out a couple other quick items. We've got a great area here, Kenyan barbecue grill, sink. We've got an ice maker. We also have a refrigerator. And another nice feature on the Azimut S8 is this area right here. And I want you to note the carbon fiber table. The S8 is built from a lot of carbon fiber, the superstructure, the tender area, just a lot of things that improve the stability, the performance, and provides a lot more room because the center of gravity is lower on the S8. But just a great additional area for you and your family to come up here and enjoy. We're in the cockpit area of the Azimut S8, which is a really fun area. You've got a wonderful sunbed back here, comfortable seating for all your family and your friends. One of the big things about the Azimut S8 is the carbon fiber construction. You can see this table is 100% carbon fiber. Just a really cool, unique feature of the boat. Another carbon fiber highlight And they've actually cleared this so you can see the carbon accents. Just a really cool feature. Makes the boat super sexy. You got a TV back here, you've got an ice maker, refrigerator, comfortable seating, just a wonderful place to enjoy being outside on the Azimut S8. We've got a garage here with a jet ski available as well. This is just an amazing boat. What people say about this boat is, I get the luxury, I get the performance, but I also get the comfort. Let's take a look at the aft docking station. You've got your joystick steering here, super maneuverable, bow thruster, makes this boat very easy to maneuver. We've got the Volvo Penta D13 1,000 horsepower engines in this, but the special thing about this Azimut S8, it has triple Volvo Penta D13s. The D13s are 1,000 horsepower. We've got the IPS drives, the 1350s. We have 2 Onan generators down below. We've got a Seakeeper. Just a lot of expansive equipment on this boat. As we're walking forward to the bow section, I wanted to point out a couple other areas. Look at the large windows on this boat. We talk about bringing the light inside, the outside in, and this Azimut S8 is perfect for doing that because of these large windows. Another feature I wanted to point out was safety. The boat doesn't just look sexy, it's safe for your kids, your grandkids. Look how high this rail is. There's railings all the way forward, so your family and friends always have a safety hold to hold on to. Now we're on the bow area of the Azimut S8. Huge area here for your anchoring safety. We've got this big sun pad up here. We've got recessed lighting. There's also an awning that will go over this entire area. Just to point out another special feature, see how these backrests come up and make into a seat? A lot of space up here so that you and your family can enjoy it. Fusion control, JBL speakers, just a comfortable boat. Just to go over some of the basic specs, the overall length is 80 feet 10 inches, a draft of 5'9", beam of 18 feet 3 inches, fuel 1,057 gallons, freshwater 291 gallons. This boat is sitting here at Pompano Yacht Center waiting for you and your family to come enjoy this. What are you waiting for? I'm Brian Herman with MarineMax. I look forward to seeing you out on the water.